Make extraordinary stuffing. So we're gonna show you how to do it. The stuffing is delicious and healthy. This is from Something Natural. It's a whole grain bread. I love that it's like old school. I don't care if it's stale, that doesn't matter to me. We're gonna cut that up into cubes. So I took a pack of mild sausage and chopped it up. Next, I have croutons from Something Natural. Herbed, crispy croutons. A good hard coarse bread is always better, so it's not mush stuffing. Bread in a bowl. And your croutons. All right, let's start on medium heat with a big giant pot. Olive oil. This is a package of onions. I don't feel like chopping onion. Pack of carrots, celery. All right, let's get that started. All right, there's the bay leaves. Salt and pepper, okay? Not burning, just sweating. Add the chicken sausage in. I'm gonna tie all of these herbs together. Thyme, sage, rosemary. Also, like, you don't have to chop it up then. Just get the flavor in there. I have different types of mushrooms. I would usually saute these first, but they're going to brown in the stuffing pan, so it's fine. Okay, now's when you want to taste, just to see if it tastes like delicious sauteed mushrooms, if it tastes like that sagey, herby Thanksgiving flavor. I'm going to take out that sage bundle so it doesn't get lost and take out my bay leaves. You can see everything's sort of reduced. That's when you put in your bread. Don't get caught up in amounts. You see what I'm doing, but keep flavoring if you put the wrong amount in. So some of the pieces were a little dry, and I don't like it to be too soggy, but I just poured broth over the top and dabbed a little bit of butter everywhere. This is the time when it's good to put the butter and flavor because it's going to get crispy and flavorful now. I forgot to do the egg, and I don't even care because it's so good and it's stuck together and it's insane. It's phenomenal.